Good morning students. I welcome you back to our EVS class and the topic is major physical features of our country. Okay, already we have read in last two classes also about this major physical features of our country topic. Okay, so in last classes we have read about the Himalaya, northern plains and the desert. Okay, so today we are going to read more two theme. Okay, more two reason because now we are going to because now we are reading about the natural region and basically the natural region is divided into 5 parts. Okay, 5 parts. So what are the 5 parts? The Himalaya, the northern plains, the desert, the plateau and the coastal plain. So already we have discussed about the Himalaya, the northern plains and the desert. So today we are going to read about the plateau and the coastal plain. So first of all we will discuss about the plateau of our India. Okay. So what is called plateau? What is called plateau? Yes, the flat land, the raised flat land, the raised flat land are called plateau. Okay, see the images here. Okay, in the map we can see the plateau region in a triangular shape. See here children. In the map of our India, we can see the plateau region in a triangular shape. एक triangular shape है plateau region का. To the south of the northern plains. Northern plains का जो south में हमें देखने को मिलेगा ये plateau. Okay, और ये है triangular shape. Okay, so the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka lie in this range. Okay children. So see this plateau. The state Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, okay, Jharkhand and Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. These are. See children, again I will say here. See the states of Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka lie in this plateau. Okay, in this range. So this region is surrounded of north. There are Aravalli Hills, the Satpura Range. Okay. See here, the region is surrounded on the 3 sides by mountain and hills. देखो इधर इमेज देखो. The region of the plateau means northern region is surrounded on 3 sides. ये तीनों तरफ से पूरा घेरा हुआ है. किससे? Mountain and hills से. The plateau is surrounded on 3 sides by mountains and the hills. In the north, there are Aravalli Hills, the Rajmahal Hills and the Vindhya Range and the Satpura Range. Okay children, see here. In the north there are Aravalli Hills, the Rajmahal Hills and the Vindhya Range and the Satpura Range. This chain of hills is called the Western Ghat. Okay, हम Western Ghat, everyone listen, Western Ghat, the name of Western Ghat, ये वहीं स्थित है. ओके, इसी को द चेन ऑफ द हिल्स मीन्स Aravalli Hills, Rajmahal Hills, the Vindhya Range and the Satpura Range. The 4 are situated in the these are the mountain range. It is surrounded by 3 sides. Okay, so the chain of these mountains are called the Western Ghat. Okay, and the river, what are the river are flown here? The Godavari, the Krishna, Kaveri rise from the Western Ghat and fall into the Bay of Bengal. Western Ghat ऊपर में है क्योंकि वो माउंटेन रेंज है. ये सब नो चिल्ड्रन. The chain of these mountains are called yes Western Ghat. और the Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, those are the rivers. Okay, comes from Western Ghat and it is flowing down into the Bay of Bengal. ओके, वेस्टर्न घाट से वो लोग स्टार्ट होके बे ऑफ बंगाल में, बे ऑफ बंगाल में आके बह रहे हैं. ओके, सो now you understood about the plateau. I will tell again about the plateau. Okay, so children, plateau is the rice flat land. Okay, एक flat land है, उसको हम plateau बोलते हैं. Okay, which is surrounded by the mountain. Okay, three sides. In the map we can see. Okay, so in the plateau region, children, in the map we can see the shape of the south. The shape of the south of the northern plains means साउथ में, नॉर्थन प्लेन के साउथ में हमको प्लेट्यू देखने को मिलेंगे. ओके, एंड व्हाट आर द स्टेट्स? छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, महाराष्ट्र, मध्य प्रदेश, ओके, कर्नाटक, तमिलनाडु, आंध्र प्रदेश, दीज आर द स्टेट. ओके, लाइज इन दिस रेंज. और the region surrounded by the region is surrounded on the mountain only. Okay, there are so many range and hills, Aravalli hills and Rajmahal hills and the range. Okay, and the Satpura range, the Vindhya range. Okay, they are surrounded by the plateau, and the chain of these mountains are called Western Ghat. And from the Western Ghat, the Godavari river, Krishna river and Kaveri. Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri, these are the three rivers which comes from Western Ghat. Western Ghat means the chain of these mountains are called the Western Ghat. Okay, and the rivers comes from there, from Western Ghat and flowing down into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so I hope you understood about the plateau. Okay, you can see more plateau region in the map and in YouTube also. Okay, now children, today you are going to read about the coastal plain. Okay, it is the fifth part of our natural region. Okay, so today we will discuss about the coastal plain. See children, the southern part of our country, is surrounded by the sea. You see the India map. Okay, see here, the southern part of our country is surrounded by the sea only. चारों तरफ सिर्फ बे ऑफ बंगाल, इंडियन ओशियन एंड अरेबियन सी. ओके, इट इज सराउंडेड थ्री साइड. ओके, southern part of our country. So between these Arabian Sea and the Western Ghat, I told now Western, and between the Arabian Sea and Western Ghat lie in the Western coastal plain. So children, between the Western Ghat and Arabian Sea, the Western coastal plain are lying. ओके, वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन कहाँ है? वेस्टर्न घाट और अरबियन सी के बीच में. ओके, सो इन द बे ऑफ बंगाल एंड द ईस्टर्न घाट. सो द ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन लाई इन द बिटवीन द बे ऑफ बंगाल एंड द ईस्टर्न घाट. ओके, वेस्टर्न घाट एंड अरबियन सी, बिकॉज अरबियन सी इज फ्लोइंग इन द surrounded by our India in the western part. Yes or no? So from between the Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea, the western coastal plain it is lying, and the eastern coastal plain lie in the between the Eastern Ghat and the Bay of Bengal, east side. Okay, so two plains. Okay, this eastern coastal plain and the western coastal plain. Okay, they two are coming and mixing it into Kanyakumari. Okay, it is mixing, it meet at Kanyakumari. Okay, okay, so children, it meet into at Kanyakumari. So let's go to this video children. I will explain you briefly about the coastal plain. See here,
the coastal plains. India is blessed with a very long coastline. It begins from the Gulf of Kutch and ends at West Bengal. Starting from the Gulf of Kutch in the western coastal plain, it moves southwards along the borders of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala and touches Kanyakumari, the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. This part of the coastline is along the Arabian Sea. Between the Western Ghats and the coast, the land is plain and is known as the Western Coastal Plain. From Kanyakumari, the coast moves northwards and reaches up to West Bengal. This part of the coastline is along the Bay of Bengal. Between the Eastern Ghats and the coast, the land is plain and is known as the Eastern Coastal Plain. The total length of the coastline is 6,100 kilometers. Such a long coastline is very useful for our country. Fishing is an important occupation of the people living on the coasts. Many seaports have been developed along the coast. The Western Coastal Plain. The Western Coastal Plain starts from Gujarat and ends at Kanyakumari. It lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It can be divided into 3 parts: Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, and Malabar coast. The Gujarat coast lies in the northern part. It lies between the Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambat. The Konkan coast lies in the middle part, and the Malabar coast lies in the southern part of the Western Coastal Plain. The middle part of the Western Coastal Plain, that is Konkan coast, starts from Gulf of Khambat and stretches up to Goa. It is very rocky and uneven. To warm the ships and fishing boats, many lighthouses have been built along the coast. Mumbai, India's biggest port, is located on the Konkan coast. The Konkan coast is rich in oil deposits. The southern part of the Western Coastal Plain is called the Malabar coast. It lies between Goa and Kanyakumari. Small and shallow saltwater lakes are the beauty of this area. We call them lagoons or backwaters. These lagoons are connected to each other by canals. Kochi is the most important seaport of the Malabar coast. The Eastern Coastal Plain. The Eastern Coastal Plain begins from West Bengal in the north and stretches up to Kanyakumari. It passes through the coastal areas of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. It lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. The Eastern Coastal Plain is wider than the Western Coastal Plain. Have you heard about the Coromandel Coast and Northern Sarkars? The northern part of the Eastern Coastal Plain is called the Northern Sarkars and the southern part is called the Coromandel Coast. Rivers like Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari and Mahanadi form their deltas along the Eastern Coastal Plain. These deltas are very fertile and are called the rice bowls of India. Kolkata, Chennai, Paradweep and Vishakhapatnam are the important seaports on the Eastern Coastal Plain.
So, I hope you all understood properly by this video. Okay. So, children, what are the plateau, what are the coastal plain and how they situated and where they have situated in our India, and see again and again the video and read also again and again the chapter, okay, about the plateau and about the coastal plain. So, in next class we are going to discuss about the island, okay, about the island, okay children. So, till that time you read, prepare, and for next class also you have to prepare, okay. Read once about the island. I will ask some questions also, okay. Thank you.